Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome back to my channel. In previous video, we had a discussion of Krita. See that too? The introduction of Krita. There we have had a discussion of what is Krita and what are the advantages and what are the things we are going to create under the Krita and why the creators are like Krita. Everything we have learned in the previous video. Now here in this video, we are going to learn how to install Krita into the computer. Okay, see this is one of the open free software. First we are going to launch Google Chrome. See, double click onto the Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome onto the on in your computer. On address bar, type www.krita.com. Or www.krita.org. See, org is nothing but organization, and com is commercial. Okay, now in address bar, I have entered www.krita.org. Okay, as soon as I enter, the interface is going to be open like this. Okay, now this is the interface of Krita. So here you can see there is a download, and also here there is a download. Krita is a professional free and open source painting program. It made by, see here only is there the definition. It is made by artists that want to see affordable art tools and everyone. Okay, and as we discussed here, it is also support for Windows, Mac, and Linux. See Windows, Macs, and Linux. For all the different operating systems is going to be supports. Okay, now we will see the steps to install the Krita into the computer. Then we can see here some of the versions. Means some of the versions we can see here. There is a latest version of Krita. See the Krita 5.2.13 bug fix release. That is Wednesday 24 September. This is the latest version, and also see some of the versions what they have released according to the information they are going to display onto the Krita website. Okay, now here what we are going to do, here we are going to choose download option on the website of Krita. So simply just you click on here, there is a download, or also we can download from here also. Anywhere where is the where there is a download, just click on download. See, simply I'm going to click on download. See, as soon as I click on to the download, it is going to ask for Windows installer. The reason is I am using Windows operating system, so it is going to ask, or it is going to choose the Windows operating system. So you can see the version of the Krita is here 5.2 that is 5.213. This is the latest version of the Krita. Now simply click on Windows installer. See, and also we can suppose if you are using Mac, automatically is going to select the Mac operating system, and also Linux if you are using the Linux operating system is going to be choose. And also we need some of the requirements. See, what are the requirements we need to install the Krita into the computer. See, operating system should be Windows 8.1 or higher. See, Windows 8 or above should be, then Mac 10.14 should be, then Linux okay, then RAM should be above 4 GB, minimum 4 GB required, then 16 GB is recommended. Then CPU, it is 3.0 higher. See, open GL graphical interface, that is 3.0, then direct 3D 11 it should be in GPU. Then graphics, tablet brand should be any tablet is compatible. If it is compatible, the Krita is going to be installed. Okay, now we are going to click on Windows installer. You simply click on Windows installer. Okay, as soon as I click on to the Windows installer, you can see, you can observe here on my download tab, the Krita is going to start download. Okay, now simply I'll click on to the download section. Now you can observe here the Krita is going to be downloaded. See, it is going to take few seconds or few minutes, just for a while. So it will take hardly 2 to 3 minutes. Once it downloaded, it is going to be saved under the downloads. Okay, let it download. Wait for a while. Okay, once the download is completed, simply click on the downloads icon onto the computer. Now you can see the Krita, the setup exe is downloaded. Simply click on the folder. It will show on the folder. Click on the folder. Okay, now you can see on downloads the Krita exe is there. See the setup exe. That means this is the software or application we are going to call. Simply click on the application, that is Krita. Double click. Once it is download complete on a download folder, it is going to ask the means some of the permissions here. So we are going to click on yes. Do you want to allow this app to make changes in your device? Yes, of course. We are going to click on yes. See, once I click onto the yes, the setup is going to be start. To install the Krita software is going to be, or the Krita application is going to be start to install into the computer. Now hardly it will take 2 to 3 minutes to install. Now select the language, whatever the language you want to select. Here I'm going to select the language as English. Even you are also going to choose the language as English. Then click on OK. Then here it is going to ask some set of permissions. We are going to click on next. Then in the third window here we are going to select the license agreement. See here where there is a checkbox. Okay, you can see in the download window there is a checkbox here. I accept the terms and conditions. See, whatever the applications or whatever the softwares will install into the computer, even all the softwares will be having their own terms and conditions. See, when we accept, then only it's going to install into the computer. So click on I accept the terms and condition, then click on next. Okay, and the location automatically it is going to install into the C drive of a computer, that is C drive programs. Okay, simply click on next, and here select the components. See here we are going to select the components Krita 64-bit. As usual, it's automatically it will default is going to be select. Click on next. Then here there is going to display the license agreement. No need to read. Just simply click on I agree. Then click on next. Okay, at the last step, it is going to ask create a desktop icon. See, confirm and install window is going to be open. Under confirm and install window, we are going to choose create a desktop icon. See here, if I click, it is going to be unchecked. If I click, it is going to be selected. If we not select, what is going to be happen? The icon is not going to be displayed on the desktop area. So it's better to select the checkbox to display the icon on desktop. Okay, now once I select the checkbox, click on install. Okay, now as soon as I click onto the install, the Krita is going to be installed into the computer. See, hardly it will take a few seconds to install. Once it install, the icon is going to be appear or display onto the desktop screen. The reason I have selected desktop icon, so it is going to be selected. Okay, now the last step is the Krita means completing Krita. Simply click on finish. Now the Krita has been installed into the computer. Okay, just close or minimize. Then on desktop you can see this is the desktop interface. On my desktop there is a logo Krita here. Okay, now by using this the logo of the Krita, or by using this icon we can enter into the Krita software. Okay, I hope in this video how to download and install Krita in our computer you have understood clearly. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like my videos. See, next video we are going to learn what are the components inside the Krita. Thank you.